Hello?
Yes, Dad.
How are you?
Did you push it?
What was the pussy in
Kupusa kwete sei?
Aiva, ndakakuti usafoni, unofana ndechida kuti usatane kana ndichokuprotect zvangu.
Ndikunyanya avoid saka ndichazive kuti zvikureve.
No. You have to listen to my words and you have to listen to my advice. This phone and which is an official line. Domain line rangu just one mama name. So some of these messages must not see them.
Okay.
As now there's no reason why I should not phone you and deliver free.
Saka ko munhu ngachingotosha dhake line. Ranokwanisa kutaura naye.
Yes, I will do that. But you wakataura ngekuti ana John ka. Chakureva mbama izvozvo.
Torovana chidzorerana.
Uzadorerana nere? Upenge, unaenda watenga kutoka.
Andina kutenga ndikaanza marriage.
Ndiko pa marriage kupiwa usina kuya kuzotera mari ku prospect.
Ndakafunda wani kuti kana wadzoka ere munyika South House ndadzoka.
Ndizo namudzoka iko kana unongenda prospect kuti wa mari laptop ye.
Aiwa zvikura manishanisa vasikana zvimwe mari iri kubuda iri kungobuda pamusaka pechichi zvinondinetsa ndozonzi uya what ndoda kupiwa mari nemunhu wacho direct tichipanana mumaoko.
Saka apa ndadzoka kuprospect ma45 ngokuti pizza chikoro
ndopedza na 5.
Kana va kupusha chikoro wa prospect.
Okay. Ku nyaya ndakataurirana yekunzi munhu uri kuda mota kudarika munhu zvikureve.
Ndakafila ndizvakati ndifile.
Kwenene ndiri kuidhinwa ndofila sei?
Kuidhinwa kupi?
Kusangotaurwa because ma-first days munhu ndiaiinitiata kuti sakatese nyaya. Izvezvi ndikasafona munhu afoni ndonzi ndiri busy. Ipapo munhu angasiri busy sei?
Why should we talk this over again and again and again?
Alright, ndakusuwa.
No, ndakusuwai. Ndakakuzoti respect, it pushes me away.
Okay, ndakusuwai did.
Good. Usatanga kuteera the advice yako.
Ndakusuwai did.
Ndazvinzwa uri kupi?
Ndokuchikoro.
Kuri sei?
Kuchikoro kuripo. Handisi kuconcentrate because ndikufunga.
Ndashakumva leyo. Sure, ndakashakuruka zvakadidiso.
Tichirova sei? I don't mind grow wangu andabasa nasho.
Kuti unoda munhu wacho. No, sure. Ndakakupinda one message wani kuti wakandida love you, I said I felt it. Ndambozvirambe, I did not dispute it, I felt it. Only problem that is you are like whether you change today, you respect me tomorrow. You change today, you respect me tomorrow. I want you to work on that. We were talking nice yesterday, we were discussing nice yesterday. Now so we need to iron out through this. What is that type of a message?
Problem kana shida mona zakugina one unotita.
No, you need to control your temper. That's your biggest problem. I want to tell you, I wasn't a nasty message last week. And you used me because I'm underprivileged. What was that?
Saka munhu akasaka orati munhu akakuronza ndiri kutengera mota akasatengera mota zvarevo.
Iwe anokwanisa mota here.
Tozviziva saka ndiri kutonga.
I can afford to buy. The reason why I'm not buying you that car is your character.
My character? Yekuita sei?
Yekutadza kutaura iyoyo.
Aiwa mota yakutozitenga wekreneri. Pamupesa papa ndiri kutombotaura zvakanaka but motikari yakutenga wekreneri.
Tera mashoko akutaura wati?
Ndati.
Tera zvakutaura. How to tell zvakutaura?
Okay. Ndati. Mudiwa wangu achanditengera motikari wekreneri because ndapinda mahustles ende mukatipiwa mari yetransport kubasa vanongodipa $50. Of which $50 haindikwanisa because mazuva ano tiri kuita madiscussions kubodo. $15 kuzoka. Saka roughly ndiri kushandisa more than $300 pane nchienda kuchikoro.
Okay, what you do is today when I come we'll discuss over the issue of the car. Then you finalize and you conclude over it. And then you create a very solid answer over it. Then I'll tell you what to say, Kubasa. Listen, I'll tell you what to say, Kubasa, and I'll tell you what's the best to solve this issue. But I think let the car be the last statement that we discuss, and this is solve the all challenges that you're facing. But then I thought my wish for you to be troubled with life, and you're not here. But in any man, if I feel pushed, if I feel someone threatening me, if I feel like you're pushing me, I tell you I get affected. Is it serious? But I'm not going to someone who pushes me.
I'm sorry about Diwa.
Oh, I was good Diwa. Do you know one thing? The moment you become sweet, the moment you become nice, even the love inside me, I feel because I love you. But the moment you push me, the moment you try to, more like you're pestering me.
I love you, not I love you, Mona. When he hardly calls her phone, Mona text, even for WhatsApp, because there she that I don't cancel song change a line or change a personal line, I don't cancel motor.
But you know that they want my phone, and you know those phones are switched off for the reason which is that in my life, I think there is niche. So after I need to family and offices, I'm always with mama. She cannot see me holding another phone. Now I talk for them in the boss. I wanted to talk to you, Mom, free.
Okay. But at least and the school cancer.
Do you understand my life? Do you understand my life?
You know, I don't know.
I've been on 5 a.m. I've been on 5 a.m. Even when I'm working the next 15 minutes, when I'm about a phone.
Okay.
So when you imagine which the time I trick that to the phone, could you send the message which Mama do on the phone? That would arrow don't blame me. So from what day when I message you don't blame me. Let us stop this too. Why is it? But the book with wisdom, which is why have I been blocked? Why have I someone sent me message that Monday?
Ask them to one chat and it, but what it's Nangomo that you ask that you put him on in this ask. Because what it can I say a consequence in Dandy provide vision and look at system because little crisis and check a married in because
the way you talk, 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 the way you talk. You talk as if it's your man number one. You talk as if it's your right number two. You talk as if I mean, around it so you could tell around around it so we don't attract a person back to you, which pushes them away. Okay, listen to you. Let me teach you as a father. If you want to have a good relationship in the life, don't talk as if you are pushing someone. You push them away.
Okay,
so how come I was what would and I tell you, if the Bagatana laptop, you are not going to laptop. What's one? Laptop. You spoke nice, then I realized the need. Simple. And I'm going to come and take my laptop. I want to put in the laptop. You.
Okay, noted.
You have to use wisdom on talking to attract the favor from someone that loves you.
Daddy. That's so why.
No shanda. There's no shanda. There's no good excited with you.
That's so why.
Okay, I miss you too.
That's so good. Going into code.
Yes?
That's so good. Going into code.
I love you.
I love you, Anne.
I love you.
I love you. Yeah? I love you. Don't know. So I love you, Anne.
No, you don't know. You don't know.
I want to go on your foot. I love you. Don't know.
What is that?
Cambodia. Cambodia. I'm not going to
But I want to bendura and then team around let me go in the car and go into bendura. I'll see my 4-5. Cannot be done for you. You have delay a joker. You have one of your money. But all the same, I have a problem. I'll solve it.
Okay, but now most probably no gonna
and when I've been doing family and my also from myself for ladies and my family. Then from there down on my combination and off the tower and out she's not even moving. Karoi. So from Karoi then I come back to office. According to my women, maybe and take me to be by 5-4. From a 4-5 no I'll send a message with Damara message. And the avoid delete and delete because my phone is this one is the most private line now.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna send them down on the chat the time that goes away.
Okay. I just watch it. Can you say it?
Yes.
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 Yeah. Sawa.
Yes.
Sawa.
What is the soccer anymore?
Kurane munu. Kurane munu. Ne munu. Zakuchagira munu.
aiwa iye munhu handina basa naye.
Kutsvagira munhu anotsvaka
Aiwa kurara nemi.
Oh. Okay, that's it. Let me call you. Okay, but you answer with the program I cannot hold the phone.
Okay, it's fine. Alright, come on.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for understanding. If you have continue to be like that, I tell you there won't be any challenge. But if you continue to be something funny, it doesn't work like that. If you have such a car, it will raise eyebrows unnecessarily. You have to have a simple car which you can move. You must have a simple car which must move you from point A to point B. You go to an bus, I don't believe my mother was no assignate, and you want something else on this.
Okay, but you know sort of the ship kind of fire because simple car is going to
that must have wisdom. That is a simple car. Simple car.
Say it.
My really discuss to be good. My feet, my wonder, my such things.
Okay.
Relax. We don't talk about so we just say just to relax. What I said what has happened. You know what makes things happen? To be sober and to be lovely. Simple as that.
Okay, I'm gonna change.
Ndikukuudza ndinayo mari wangoramba usingachinji ndikokutayewa simple. So you just change and anticipate that. I'm hammering the point in you so that you do what I tell you every day and you go back to the same old you.
Okay, same old me. Arkuda mono, arkusua mono, saka arkuramba shita.
Don't be aggressive for nothing. Relax.
Okay.
Good girl. All right, now.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.